For this section, what we want to focus is how we're going to start building our API, and more specific, how we're going to start with a customer. So this is our model with these properties: ID, name, email, and age, and how from the client we will be able to send HTTP requests to our API and basically use some of these methods in here. So post, get, put, and delete. And then if we take, for example, Jasmine in here, so she's a customer that we want to add to our database, for example. So often when you build APIs, you kind of want to store data, and usually you kind of store them in a relational database or a NoSQL database or in memory, which I don't advise. But you kind of need to have a store. So basically what we want to learn is how we're going to add a customer to our database and persist it. So in order for us to achieve basically all of the operations, so we're mainly talking about CRUD operations, which stands for create, read, update, and delete. So basically the CRUD operations indeed match the HTTP methods. So CRUD, so C stands for create. The HTTP method that we use for adding a new resource is post. Read is get, so we want to get an existing resource. Same with read. Update, we use put to update an existing resource. And then delete is the same as delete, to delete an existing resource. So going back to this diagram, let's actually focus on creating the model. And first we'll start with get. So we want to be able to get existing customers from our backend.